Got the Hondeezy. Got the door. Oh shit, they threw the fucking door. Yo, what up? It's Saturday. It's your boy Young Jag. I'm in the Hondeezy, the 97 hatchback. The 4-door hatchback. I'm just messing around. But yeah, I think I need to do a trans flush because my gears just kind of feel like they're floating just a bit. Less torque, more float sometimes, and the revs are going high. But I'm not going anywhere. The revs are just going up for no reason. But that's also because I be doing burnouts and stuff where, you know, you put the clutch in, you boom, 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 boom. And I maybe messed this shit up. I used to do it a lot in my Y8, but this is a Y7, so it has 20 less horsepower. So, oh, it's getting down there. I'm good to go. I sadly can't drive and record at the same time, I don't think. So, that sucks. Because I want to show what the thing looks like, but I drive a manual car, so dang. Okay, got the transmission fluid in. Guys on a Honda bike. Let trans out. So much going on. Oh, he's gone. I'm at the Honda dealership in the 4-door. This could be like the fun now. I'm so behind on my uploads. I haven't even uploaded making this damn car. Wasn't even that bad. Another $80. I got change from my Honda. Got so much stuff. 2 oil filters, 2 liters of trans fluid, bunch of crush washers and stuff. The oil filters are 20 bucks a pop. They're expensive. Check this out. I'll start this baby up. It's in first gear because I didn't want to hit the Audi. And we're good. We are good. That's a dope Trans Am though. Gangsta. Very sick. I'm at the Honda dealership. Wearing. Wait, I wish I could show this. Wearing my Honda hoodie at the Honda dealership. What up? What up? Oh my gosh, my bank account. This car paint job was supposed to be cheap. This little bottle, $70. $70. Oh, this little thing right here. This is the premium flowable blending finishing putty. 60 something bucks. I feel like spending $140 is like, oh my gosh. But body work is body work. It needs to be done. And this car needs painting eventually. It's like 70 bucks. $61. 140 bucks I just spent at the body shop. And $84 I just spent at the Model Honda. The Honda dealership. All for the Hondeezy, man. But guess what? These windows, they roll down. Same with the backs. Premium, premium. And the boss man, he checked out my whip, so he said nice, nice. Boom. I got all these pieces. Probably so hot. Real paint. Slide right in there. Boom. Got all these. I got the small one. See this? Go right there. all that in like a boss. You see the vision? That goes right there. That goes right there. And then this is the good piece. Oh my goodness. It's so bad down there, man. Oh, it looks so much better just fucking like that. Ah. What the heck? Yeah. I'm glad I took high school fabrication courses and almost went into the job. Worked in a fabrication shop for a few months. Good shit. Just use an old fender, cut all the patches out. You can actually get like the shapes you need. Like this part's missing, got this part. After you cut it out, it just fits perfectly. And then you use the patches that you have to draw it out, like boom, bonsoir. And then use the angle grinder to cut it all out and put the patches in. You see it? I cut that car up real good. Boom, no more. I have to drive this to work Monday. A moment. There's more rust than I thought. I'm gonna have to cut this out and then maybe put a new piece in, but I might try to leave some of this. I just want to cut all this bad part out, but it goes all the way in, so shit. I don't really want to touch this area. I'm gonna grind it down though with a grinder, see what I can do. Yo, quick door scoop going down. Just called this wrecking yard that I haven't been to all summer. Got towers over there, what? I'm Young Jag. I'm out here at affiliated with the Pops. I forgot to wear one of my Jag 15 hats. But apparently they got a Ford door and they might have doors. They might not. We got 20 minutes till they close. Pop 2 doors off, and then we out. Oh shit, this is a cool car. I think I see some. I see it. It's right here. 4-door. Yo, this thing's tight. Hey! We got it right here. 2 clean doors. I think this is it. Automatic. Oh! Ho, ho, ho. Oh shit, man! They got major Hondas. I gotta come back. Is this an Accord? Is that what you had?
Yeah, but no, I painted one.
This thing, my dad had this when I was a kid. So cool. And we have 20 minutes and we're looking at cars. Man, shout out to that Accord. 2 new doors going down. No dents. No, they look super clean. Quick vid. Demolish that car. He got the door over there. We're on our way out. Quick tings. This thing had nice wheels on it. It's very rare. Look at those wheels. I'm out though. And just like that, I got the mirror for free. We got the glass in each of them. $150. He was like, I said 100 over the phone. I'm like, I think I heard 75, my friend. This is just needs a little bit of body work. It'll be good though. No dents. Beautiful, beautiful. The doors are back home in my backyard. It's nice because they're auto, so I don't have to swap the internals like I did in that one video with my bro Salem. Man, I just ripped off this strip. I guess they come with like an OEM strip that just traps moisture in. Damn, that's a dirty door. I'm gonna take off the door card on both of them and pressure wash it real good to get all that shit off. And then I'm gonna sand it down. This needs like paint stripping and sanding and then re-epoxying almost, because I don't want to have all this rust come through on the new paint job. It's whatever if it does though. It's a Honda DC. I'm just trying to have a fun looking car. No dents. Let's go. Alright, I just removed the mirror. It's a 110 mil that I don't even know if you have to get out. I think that was unnecessary. 3 8 mils in the clip. The clip's kind of tricky on this mirror, but see this Weber strip? It didn't come off properly. This door is more clean. How's the driver door more clean than the passenger? It's because people, when you wash your car at the car wash, get under the door. People probably never washed underneath the passenger side door because it's just like a spot people forget. But I'm just getting all these panels off, gonna clean them, swap them over. And just like that, door card removed. Couple screws, couple clips. I'm gonna swap this bit over. I gotta take those doors off still, low-key, but I'm just prepping these doors today. I gotta get this rust dealt with a little bit. Just a bit. Time to do this door, woohoo. Yeah, it's like, there's a clip right here. There's a screw right there. A screw. Some clips down here. Way easier than the driver's side door, whereas you have the speaker. Oh, and for this you pop it out and there's like a little pole. You just move it to the side. Try not to break the clip. Good stuff. I got this, but I need to get like an angle grinder with like a spinning disc because this doesn't really do it. Okay, day after. Cleaned the doors real good last night, sprayed them down. Man, front driver's side door, pretty clean. Just a little rust down here. Looks pretty clean on the inside though. Then you go to driver's side. No, passenger, rear. It's all rusty on the bottom, but winter is coming. It's real cold today. All the trees, all the leaves are coming off. So I don't have time. Just gonna spray some rust converter in there. Hope it helps keep some of the rust out. I'm just gonna paint these doors. Prime them up, put them on the car. Could put them on gold. It would look funny, though. I kind of rather have them gray. But also, I'm gonna sound deaden them while they're off. Get the panels all sound deadened. Hopefully it keeps it warmer in the winter. Cause listen to this. Not sound deadened. Sound deadened. It's a difference. Like the roof. Sound deadened. And boom. Now they're ready. All insulated. This is the driver's side door. Real good. Layers. Super good. At least it looks good. You won't even see it, but I don't know, deep inside. My car's insulated like a Lexus. Like Acura. Okay, laid them out now. Upon further analysis, there's a nasty dent right there. Fuck. Fuck. This is not the driver's side or passenger front. There's a little dent right there and there. I used to be a VSA for a rental company, so I'd inspect vehicles. And these aren't even clean, but you can see the dents. You can see the dents when you look in the waves. Damn though. Not so bad though. You compare it to this real quick. Oh, what the cat doing? What? Broken, busted, beat, dented. What the cat doing? The cats are just chilling on the car. Me too. Me too, Waffles. But yeah, it's gonna be an improvement. Oh, what are you doing? What the cat doing? He's hanging out, helping me. I thought these doors were cleaner, but I'm not dealing with any rust specks coming back, so I'm just cleaning these with the angle grinder, using a light disc. See all that? All that rust would just come through, even if you sand it. You gotta get down to the bare metal. So I'm just getting all the little rust spots and then putting it on the car. This one had so many rust spots. I thought I was done, but then I looked at it after I was almost before spraying and I was like, there's so many spots. So I hit it again. Now I'm just hitting it with some automotive self-etch primer. Keeps the rust from coming back. And look at that beautiful door. Oh my gosh. That side's done. Just waiting on this one, and then I'll put them on. The sun goes down in like an hour or two. Right there. And I have not fixed this yet. I'm supposed to weld these patches in and then cover it all up. But I got an hour left, man. Damn. Time flies. Winter's coming. Got the Hondeezy. Got the door. Oh shit, right through the fucking door. Off this door panel. You already know how it's done. This thing has pioneers in it. They sound so bad. But also I don't have the rear speakers hooked up, so these are the only thing that's been bumping for the last week or two. They're trying their best, man. Nah, I just gotta rip all this bolts and then I'm good to go. Rip this off. Got my little peep on. Oh, it's off. No more top door. I don't need anything from this one. It's just ready to swap over. The new door. Dun dun dun. Check out that paint job.
Two-tone.
Super nice. Super clean. Bogwan, I just finished work. Man, look at the car. No more dents on the door. I just put some sound deadening to cover the fuckness. Man, it looks so much cleaner. Man, I gotta go home. It's fucking late. Worked a 10 hour.